Hello, welcome, Marlene here. Today I'm working on a mixed media Easter bunny. Obviously, all these techniques could be used on any cookie project. This is an abbreviated tutorial. If you want the full step-by-step video, you'll find that on Patreon. And let's get started. Here's my bunny cookie, and I'm just covering all this in some ivory icing. I just thought it would be a little bit nicer than just pure white. Looked more like a painted bunny. So this is inspired by some of the kind of Easter decorations I've seen on Pinterest. So many talented artists making different things, so many different mediums. All can be an inspiration for cookies. I like this brush. It's kind of like ragged at the end. It'll give me interesting strokes. And I'm just painting the cookie here. There. Fit. So I'm putting the bow on first just to make sure that I don't get my grass in there. So I can do a little dab there, and then we're just going to gently push the bow in like that. Now I've got a piping tip for my green, and I'm starting here and a little dollop to make sure it sticks. A dollop. And now we can just gently push in our flowers into those little So you can just press them in since they're flat. Whoops. There. A gentle press, and then we can just add a little bit of grass in front to make it look a little bit more on purpose. And here are the completed cookies. If you'd like to hear me explain in more detail the project, you'll find that video on Patreon. And if you go on Patreon and support me there, you allow me to continue creating videos. YouTube has made it very difficult for creators. So thank you if you support me there. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future uploads, and I'll see you next time.